Number 14 to number 5 Sting. Gandang pasa. What a find. And the finish. Corpus setting the play. Uses the screen of the Alvarez sa 3. Bang! 3-4. Backdoor inbound. Ramos picks. Reverse layup. Bucket. Ramos. Number 10. Bitin of the glass. Bucket. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Ilocos Sur Semifinals. Do or die Intertown para sa laban ng Kabugao at Kawayan. And a jump ball. And here you go. And here's Ramos. Goes to the rim. First blood. Ramos. Long pass. Ito na naman. Bucket. Back to. Pass to number 18. He stop. Launch on 3. By foul. And here you go, Team Kabugao. Bumangga. My foul. And here's Kindipan. Pull up jumper. Bucket. Kindipan. Number 14 Lace. Bucket. And here's number 14. He spin. Pass to the middle. At pinasa pa. Tagor. Drives. Pass. Ang gandang pasa. And a good finish. And the long pass. Kindipan. Kindipan goes to the rim. Water. Won't go. Rebound. Alvarez. And 1. Ramos. He pass to number 1. To the middle. Number 14. He spins. Pass to Ramos. Ramos spins. Ramos. He pass. Oh, inside pass. Libre. Easy to. Alvarez to number 10. Cotoriano simalaksak sa 3. Blah. And 7-12 ang score natin. He goes to the rim. Natapikan. Ramos. Ramos. Long pass. Eksakto yung pasa. And good. Easy. And here's Alvarez pass to. Uy, sinagasaan. Double foul. Backdoor inbound. Ramos picks. Reverse layup. Bucket. Ramos. Kitoriano pass to the middle. Pass. Nagawan. And here you go. Goes. Pinasa pa. And a goal. Good. And here's Kitoriano na naman. Behind the back. Almost lost. Corner. Fix. Sa gitna. Pull up J. No good. For the inbound, Kitoriano. He spins. Fix. Clutch. Fire. Bucket is good. And here's Team Kabugao, number 14. To the middle. Here's number 2. The floater shot off the window. In and out. Rebound. Fix. Fire. My foul. For the inbound, Team Kabugao. Ipas na agawan. 2-on-2 ang laban. Pinasa. Number 15. Hook shot. No good. Rebound. Easy to. Ball possession. For Team Kabugao. Number 2. Launch on 3. Short. And rebound. Para sa Team Steel. For Kabugao. Fires. No short. Nakalusot yung bola. And a rebound again. Sa 3 ulit. Short. Rebound ulit. Pasok yan. Garcia. And here's your Team Lace. No good. Rebound Garcia. Kicks out. Sakto yung pasa. Lace of the window. Money. And ball possession for Team Kabugao. Number 2. Bounce pass to Ramos. Ramos. Create space. He fires off the window. Bucket. 26. Corpus setting the play. Uses the screen of the Alvarez sa 3. Bang! 3-4. And number 14 to number 5 Sting. Gandang pasa. What a find. And the finish. And number 2 with the ball. Bounce pass. He pass back. Number 11 na tapikan na recover. And a pass to the middle sa 3. Bang! Dani. Corpus. Using the screen Alvarez with the Corpus. He drives. He lays. No good. And rebound. Kabugao. Number 2 with the ball. Team Kabugao. Bounce pass to Ramos. Ramos. Pass to the middle. Pass another pass and a foul and sa gitna. I-pass back. Sa 3. Sa block. Rebound. Alvarez. Dive for the ball. Pull up jumper. Libreng-libre. Bakit? And here you go. Long pass. And libreng-libre. Easy 2. And here's Team Kabugao. Number 2. Stop. Long 3. Bang! Kitoriano. Kitoriano. Side step. Off the rim. Pasok yan. Number 2. Is Riva. Number 10. Pinabitin. Off the glass. Bakit? Is number 2. Pass to Ramos. Drives. Pinabitin lays. Bakit for 2. Ram. And number 10. Inatake yung 4. Kicks out. Pull up J. Bakit? Ramos. Ramos attacking the defense. He pass. Number 4. Release. No good. And here's Kitoriano. High pass. Corpus. Corpus. Taking it easy. He pass. Number 15. Floater shot. Bakit? And here you go. Long pass. Number 14. Kitoriano. Bounce pass. Ramos. Easy 2. Here's Tagor. He stops. Launch on 3. Bang! Tapos! Into Corpus. Long pass. 3 on 2. Bounce pass. Oh, binato yung ulat. Oh, Toriano for the inbound. Number 15. Bumalik. Sumegway. Natapikan. And 3 on 2 ang laban. He set the ball. Number 2. Goes inside. Fires. No good. And this number 15, long pass. He spins. Pinasa. Pull up J. Black by Ramos. Bumalik. Fires off the window. Manny. Kitori. Tapikan. Stolen. Behind the back 3 ball. And recover. Picks. No look pass. Lays. Bakit? And the pass to number 15. Pull up J. Bakit? And attacks, Bumanga, tumira, no good. And rebound Anda. Pinasa sa kalaban. Oy, behind the back pass and a easy 2. End of the second. Kitoriano. Kitoriano, he fires off the glass. Bakit? And he's stolen. Pass, halip, pass, and a fire. Ooh! Bakit for 2 pa, este. Kitoriano, sumegway. Sa gitna, umatagile, short. Ramos, long pass. Nauna na, Liz. Garcia with the easy. Number 19 with the ball. Pass to number 10. Almasan, ipas. Kitoriano, reverse layup. Bakit for 2. And here's Garcia, Bumanga, tumira, no good. Rebound Ramos, and he put back of the glass. And number 6 Garcia, bounce pass to the corner. Pull up jumper, in and out and in. And here's Team Kabugao. Inside the step, inside pass, 1 bounce and fire off the window. Bakit for 2. Kitoriano with the ball. Sumegwe, he lays. And a bucket of friendly. And Kitoriano. Then against. And a bucket. That's sidestep for the inbound. And pass to number 4. Pull up J. Bucket. And pass back. Number 14. Inside pass. The lob pass. And a nice speedy. And 27-point lead for Team Kabugao to the corner. Fires at 3. Ball side. To the corner. Bounce pass. Picks. Kicks out sa 3. Bam! 3! And attacks. Liz. Bakit? Kitoriano. Kitoriano to the hoop. Short. Rebound. Kindipan. Wala pa rin. Kitoriano. Fires. Kindipan of the glass. Bakit for 2? Almasan. Sa gitna. Kitoriano to the hoops. Bakit? Kitoriano. Here's number 6 Garcia. He passed the ball. Attack, slays, bucket. In a ball possession for Team Kabugao. Bounce pass. Supalpal. Corpus. Corner pass. Number 18. Kindipan. Kindipan pinilit. Natapikan. Naagawan. Long pass. And all alone easy to Vallejo. And number 10. Up. Spin speaks. Nakalusot. Wala. And here's Garcia, corner pass, pull up J. Vallejo. And here you go, all alone, easy two. And 5 seconds. Number 5 Garcia, natapikan. Kitoriano, sa long three. Bounce pass, picks, spins. Sa gitna, pull up for 3, bang! 3-point rebound. And pinilit. Traveling. And number 14. Spins. Kicks out. Spins, picks, Almasan. Pull up J. Corpus. Bucket. Number 7. Pass to number 6. Garcia. Kitoriano long pass. 1 on 2. And pass far. Easy 2. Polio. I-pass. Libreng-libre. Easy 2. And here's Kitoriano. Sumegway. Uy, sinagasahan yung 4. And here's number 7. Bounce pass to the middle. Lace. Yes, sir. And here's team. Ball possession for Kabugao. Number 11. Attack from the middle. Ni wrestling. Ball possession for Kabugao. Still. Kicks out, wide open for 3. Fire short. Pass break, Kitoriano. Umatake, foul and 1. Kicks out, Corpus for 3. Bang! 3. Natapikan. Is number 11. Spins, corner. Pull up J. Bucket. Ono. Corpus. Corpus. Sa 3. Short. Stolen. Pass break. Binit-bit. Back.
Number 17, Jimenez. Al following champion. Seconds, game clock. 48 seconds, game. 40 seconds.